when it's your turn to do it at home, it becomes difficult. So join us together. Wow, welcome to the...
I welcome everyone to this story. My name is Oluwaseyi Edun, lordstar, Mr. Shining, kingofaction, the beacon of possibility, the mentor of multiple streams of income, I'm a Latin talent, investor, I'm here to teach social media savvy. We are here to learn how to make money online with content creation. Like, who can tell us the way we have to make money?
You can make money online by creating ads.
Monetizing your online presence and building entrepreneurial skills, right? Am I communicating? In this training, yeah, we have it in lesson. This is lesson 1, lesson by lesson. So lesson 1 is about setting up for monetization. What did I call the lesson 1? Giants like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Yeah. The YouTube, you can use any account like the Facebook, sorry. But the Facebook, we have what we call normal Facebook accounts. Like, let me go to my Facebook now. What I mean, this is YouTube, this is Facebook now. It's displaying right. So this is my Facebook profile. So before, you can make money with Facebook page only. Facebook page only. But now you can turn this Facebook account into professional mode. The way it's displayed is different from Facebook ad. So this is page now. If you want to create page, like these are my page now. These two. This Oluwaseyi Edun is a page. This oluwaseyiedunacademy is also a page. So this is my professional dashboard for this account now. It's not a page. So let me go to my page here. You will see the difference of page and natural Facebook account. That is normal Facebook account. So let me go to my page. You see my post there. Followers. So, but who understand how to, or who know how to create Facebook page? Facebook page. Okay, you can create it. So we can turn our Facebook account into professional mode. This is my professional mode dashboard now. My professional dashboard. Welcome to professional dashboard. You can see insights, money tools, and ad creation all in one place. So you can turn your Facebook account into professional dashboard. It will not work as the normal Facebook page because the requirements on this Facebook account is before you can be monetized, minimum 5,000 followers. So on your professional mode account, 5,000 followers, 60,000 minutes watch, and 5 posts. So it's not everything about video. Like if you want to monetize your Facebook account, you can be posting pictures with write-up. You can be writing words like, we have niche. So you look for a profitable niche. So if you want to go into video creation, like you want to be a comedian, you want to be teaching, tutoring, there are so many ways. It depends on if people come to me that, sir, how can we make money online? I will sell. You can, like, what you know how to do most. So your skills, what you are good about, so is what is advisable to monetize on. So it can be on content creation like creating video, you can be tutoring, you can be selling online. So what we are all about is how to make money. You want to make money with your Facebook. Okay. Hope everyone is you are on your Facebook account. Facebook page set up for monetization. That's what you are doing now. monetize, because the normal Facebook account that you turn into professional mode, the minimum requirement is for the follower is 5,000 followers. For the professional page, 10,000 followers. So that's what you need.